Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your membership on Naturvetarna. Okay, so in this video we are going to give you complete step-by-step guide. So there are two methods by which you can cancel your membership. The first method is via online and the second method is via email. The first method is like you need to type on any browser like Naturvetarna how to cancel membership, and once you get results you need to select membership page like Naturvetarna membership page. You need to select this option. Once you select this option it will redirect you on the new window, this kind of window. When you scroll down you will see in the bottom side there is a page. Do you want to end your membership? Just simply tap on this option, log us in. You can see over here you need to tap on this option. Once you tap this option it will redirect you in the new window, this kind of window. You need to provide your bank ID, or you need to provide your bank ID on this device, and you can follow the prompts by using this method. If this method will not work for you, you can do one thing. You can compose an email, and the email format you can choose from internet, and you can compose an email. Once your email is done you can send your email at info@naturvetarna.se. okay, so you can send your email, and you will get your cancellation confirmation very easily. And this is the information. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.